Chief Minister N. Biren has expressed that the state government is committed to bringing equal development both in hills and valleys of the state, and asserted that people of all communities must live with peace and harmony, cooperating with each other for our better future generations. The statement was made today during the national state level observance of National Unity Day, which was held at 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground. Today's function was attended by Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly along with other ministers, MLAs and senior officials of the state government. Speaking during the occasion of the National Unity Day, which is being celebrated in commemoration of the 148th birth anniversary of late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, CM N. Biren expressed that following the footsteps and ideology of the Iron Men of India who struggled and pioneered in uniting India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been able to project our country in the international platforms. He added that in order to bring back peace and normalcy in the state, the government is now taking up various skill development trainings, disbursing loans, providing financial assistance to self-help groups, both in hills and valleys. During the occasion, he appealed to all to maintain peace and normalcy in the state. And Biren further appealed to all concerned CSOs not to spread any news or narratives that might be detrimental to the peaceful existence of the communities in the state.